What is the number of distinct term in the expansion of a plus b plus c raised to power 20? This is a binomial expansion. So whenever you expand a plus b plus c raised to power n, the general term of this is some constant into a raised to power x into b raised to power y into c raised to power z, where x plus y plus z should be equal to n. And we are looking for the non-negative integral solutions. Okay. So in this case, this x plus y plus z should be equal to 20. And for the non-negative integral solution, we need two partitions. So it will be 22c2, which is 22 into 21 by 2. So 11 ones are 11, carry 1, 11 2s are 22. The answer is 231. Option A is the right answer.